Imagine a hidden world all around us, teeming with life so tiny we can't see it without help. That is revealed thanks to microscopy. Microbiology microscopes give us a window into bacteria, fungi, protozoa, even viruses. Creatures and cells so small they would remain totally invisible without magnification. From the early pioneers like Robert Hooke, who first glimpsed cells under his microscope, and Antony van Leeuwenhoek, often called the father of microbiology, who discovered animalcules swimming in pond water, microscopy transformed our understanding of the living world and created the very field of microbiology. Today's scientists use a variety of imaging techniques: simple light microscopes, phase contrast, dark field, fluorescence, and even super-resolution or electron-based systems, to peer deeper into form, structure, and behavior of microbes, to observe how they move, grow, interact, and trigger disease. Because most microbes measure only a few micrometers or less, our eyes alone simply can't resolve them. Microscopes use clever optics and sometimes dyes or fluorescent markers to create sharp, high-contrast images that reveal shape, internal detail, patterns. With these tools, we can study microbial life in blood samples, soil, water, tissues, unlocking new insights about how microbes influence health, environment, and biotechnology. So whenever you think, what if there's invisible life all around me? Just remember, thanks to microscopes, we don't just imagine that hidden world. We observe it, learn from it, and even fight the microbes that make us sick. Let's dive in and explore that unseen universe together.